In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes on Wix, whether you've made a minor tweak or a larger modification that you're not happy with. Undoing changes in Wix is straightforward and efficient. Let's start by navigating to the Wix website editor. This is the central hub where you'll be making all your changes to your site. Once you're logged into your Wix account, head to the dashboard and select the particular site you want to edit. From there, click on the Edit Site button, which will take you to the Wix Editor. This is where all the magic happens and you have control over your site design and content. Now that you're inside the Wix Editor, you might notice there's a plethora of features and options available. It can seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We're going to focus on just the undo functionality for now. If you've made a change that you want to reverse, the simplest way is to use the undo button. You can find this button at the top of the editor, usually represented by a backward arrow icon. Clicking this button will instantly undo your most recent change. It's as easy as that. This feature is particularly useful when you've accidentally moved an element, changed text, or modified an image and want to revert to the previous state. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts or want a quicker way to undo changes, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac. This offers a quick and efficient alternative to manually clicking the undo button each time. The keyboard shortcut works in real time, allowing you to work more seamlessly without breaking your workflow. It's perfect for when you need to undo multiple changes quickly, as you can repeatedly press it to continue reverting previous actions. It's important to remember that undoing changes only affects your current editing session. If you've saved and published those changes, you'll need to use Wix's Site History feature to restore your site to a previous version. This isn't covered in this tutorial, but it's quite useful if you need to revert to a much earlier state of your project. And there you have it. Undoing changes on your Wix site is a breeze. Whether you prefer using the on-screen button or the keyboard shortcut, both methods are designed to help you manage your site's design process with minimal stress and maximum efficiency. Keep practicing these steps and you'll become more comfortable navigating and editing your Wix site. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.